अब गए ready?
Bye. Bye. Oh, the kind. Atik po. Ano?
Hold me tight, okay? You come front. You come front, baby. No. You come front, no. No. What will you do? Okay, I just hold here. Hold here. Hold here, stomach. Okay, keep a leg up. Okay, hold the stomach. Hold the stomach, yeah? No. Oh, keep a leg up. Get hurt. It's not boy. You okay? Come here, front. Come sit front, though. Come sit front. Okay, stand. Stand. Stand on the cycle. Hold me. Hold me. Right, okay? Ready? Nice? Hold me tight. Hold mama tight, okay? You have space. Hold me tight. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hold me tight. Hold me tight. Hold me tight. Where is ticket? What ticket? There's no ticket. Oh, I should buy ticket or what? You should buy ticket. I'm the one who's driving. Key. Key is there. Hey, go stuck. Papa, I don't think I can.
Yeah.
And Jaden, we decided that we're gonna do some painting. Look at this, guys. This I did, and this one beautiful Jaden did. How nice, lovely, right? So good. Look at that, guys. Okay, yeah, baby. Take another paper. Wow, lovely. Very beautiful. So I was actually planning to take him out, but then I could see that he has a bit of cough and phlegm, and I don't want to take a risk because it's kind of like overcast weather in Bangalore. It might rain anytime, and I just don't want him to get drenched and strain himself. So I decided that okay, we're gonna enjoy at home, and maybe evening if there is no rain and the weather is good, then I'll take him out along with his dad. If not, tomorrow also we have that time. Tomorrow is Sunday, anyways. We'll go to church, and then post that if it's a good weather, I will take him around somewhere. But yes, the priority is his health because I don't want him to fall sick, because that's gonna make him feel really bad, and no one likes to be sick obviously, right? And no one wants the kids to fall sick. So yes, it's best that
And daddy?
yes, daddy,
And daddy?
it's okay.
Mm-hmm.
That's okay. So it's best, mom and dad, that we actually I mean, if the weather is not good, or if your child is not feeling good, it's better that you do some activities in the house, like what we are doing. So we are doing painting, and then now we were actually in the morning we were playing on the cycle, and that's how, I mean, you can spend day with your kids, and we play Alexa, we dance also. Yes, you like the dance?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Do you want to paint Mama? Give him a star. Give him a star. Wow, that's nice. Oh wow. Wow. It's nice. Give me one more. Give me one more. Give me one more. Oh wow, what is that? We were, I mean, all the state in India, it's not that the mango season has stopped. It's not that, everywhere in India the mango season has stopped. Actually, there are some states in India, such as Dindigul and all, where still the mango season is ongoing. It will be there until next month. So it is safe to eat mangoes from there. So this is what my mom bought. Her friend gave her this mango. She's from Dindigul, so Jaden loves mango. And baby, you want mango? Sweetheart, come, baby.
Awesome, Mama.
Nice mango. Oh, it's flying. Come sit here. Sit here. Sit here. Yeah, take. Can you feed Mama?
No.
Please give me one bite. Thank you. Mango. Thank you, love. Nice. Where is it? Where is the mango?
Awesome, little mango.
Mango. You like mango?
Yeah.
For me? Give me one, please. Give me one, please. Give me one, please. One, please. One, please. One, please. One, please. Okay, fine. Go. One, please, Jado. Mango, please. Give me mango, Jado. Please give me mango, Jado.
Mama?
I'm baby. Yay.
Mama?
Mm.
Jesus.
Yes, Jesus.
Jesus, Avalu.
Yes, Jesus, I love you. So yes, another thing, moms and dads, what I wanted to say is, yeah. So I actually give my toddler every day seasonal fruits actually. So at least one type of fruit you should give your toddler each day. And if you give them seasonal fruit, it is the best. Now since it's monsoon and we're gonna get into winter in few months, it's best that you give them pineapple. Pineapple is very good if your kids have cough, phlegm, cold and thing. Give them pineapple. The center part of pineapple is what they're supposed to consume. So chop cubes in a way that there are that centerpiece actually will be there in a piece of what you're going to cut. So always cut in a triangular shape so that a little bit of center part will be there. That is what will actually help with the phlegm and cough, and that will remove all the phlegm from their throat, which is really a good way. Instead of directly giving them a medicine, it is best that opt for something natural, which I also do for myself and I also do for my toddler. It always works. Ensure the pineapple is really ripe and the center part is not rough enough, it is soft, because when it's completely cooked, when it's completely ripe is when actually you'll be able to eat the center part easily. So give that if your child is suffering with cough and cold and phlegm. This will really help them. Trust anybody for that matter. Please take care of your kids and please keep them safe, and please you also guys stay safe. Yeah, that's all I would say. And have fun and take care. Bye bye.